Hello traders, welcome. See traders, now I am discussing about how I analysis Nifty and Bank Nifty and stock traders. Now I am discussing about how analysis Nifty and Bank Nifty. So see traders, and this is my August income. Okay, traders. This is my August income. Total overall profit is 3,330 rupees, and total charges is nearly 2k. So overall my net realized profit is 135. Okay, that means 1,350 rupees. Okay, that is. So this is my August. Then see here, that is in my last 3 days. Okay, that is into no 5. So I am. Okay, see that is I'm just taking only one trade on first date because of the I'm checking what is the margin leverage give to us. Okay, that is from for trade because the in that time market will peak margin, so volatile will be there. So I didn't took any trade, just only one trade I took because I'm checking what is the margin it will take. So that time I just profit in 50 rupees and my brokerage charge is 8 rupees and overall profit 41 rupees. So in 2, 3, 4 date I didn't took any trade. Okay, so this was my September month. So from now onwards I am daily available in the market and I daily continuously posting my videos. Okay, see traders, this is a tab for Tata Steel and I'm just saying now Nifty, how we are analyzing Nifty 50. Okay, traders, just see traders, this is a Nifty 50 daily chart. In daily chart I didn't understood anything. Okay, traders, so why I didn't understand anything because here I am not particular on the support or resistant or anything. Okay, traders, and it will be only full time high. Okay, traders, so here I need to draw one support line, but I confused where to draw a support. So I just leave daily chart, then I have to went in 1 hourly chart. Okay, traders. Yeah, now hourly chart I am seeing one support line is there. So see traders, where is support line? Because see traders, this is the one support line. Why this will be support? Because see traders, from here market will came down. Okay, traders, and this resistance will act here support. Okay, traders, when this resistance will act as support, see traders, it will took support and will went upside. Okay, traders, and one more thing, resistance zone here. Okay, traders, because see traders, this is the resistance zone because in this resistance it will be come and came down. Sorry, it is, and this came here and came down, and one more thing here, and it will not went upside. It will came down. It will particular we see in 30-minute chart. See traders, in 30-minute chart it will came up and down. Here also came up and down. So this one will be the major resistance. Okay, not traders. If and one more thing, support I can drop from here to here. See traders, here to here. See traders, how do we draw the support line? See traders, see from here it will be upside, and one more thing, here came this support line, it will take as a support and upside, and one more thing here, see traders, here support and upside, and one more thing, the this is the resistance. Okay, traders, if the market is came down here, then it will be act as a support and it will take when support it will be bounce upside and it break this resistance. Okay, it break this resistance going upside. If not break, then it will came down nearly this resistance, this support level, it will be fall this support level. If this support level also break, then it will came this nearly this level. Okay, so nearly this level. If it will be also break, then this is the final stage of support level, and it will came here and it will act as a support and then move upside. Okay, this is how we are analyzed. If we didn't understood in one daily time frame, then we have to go 1 hourly chart. If 1 hourly chart we did not understand, then we have to go 30-minute chart. If 30-minute chart we didn't understood, then we will go 15-minute chart. Okay, there will some when we are understood particularly which time frame we don't know. Just we have to go change in time frame and see what is the market is movement upside or downside, where is the support and where is the resistance. Where we understand that time frame we have to keep and watch. If see, let us I remove everything. Okay, let us I remove everything, all indicators and triangle. If in Monday, okay, let us and in Monday, so from tomorrow, how I trade. So that in tomorrow I keep in 15 minutes chart. Okay, let us in Monday how I trade. I just show you. See, let us from here we have to draw one trend line. Okay, let us and this is a trend line where support and see, let us this is the A1 resistance zone. Okay, let us for this is the resistance and it will act as a support here, and this trend line also act as a support here. Okay, let us so and one more thing resistant see here, let us this is the one more resistant. Okay, okay, so how we have to trade on Monday. See, let us here market came, it will take support and upside, and this is the resistance zone and came here. See, let us support and upside, this resistance will be break. Okay, let us so this resistance break and it took it is also support. Okay, now this resistance break and took this one only support and went upside, and here one resistance make and came, and this trend line was a support here and went upside, and this is two supports. Okay, that is this trend line resistance become as a support, and one more thing, this support line two support, so it will remain upside. So Monday if the break this resistance, Monday if the break this resistance, then it will be move upside, and we have to take when it will came retracement and take support this trend. Okay, trends if the break this line and when it will be move upside and came here, it will take support and breakout, then we have to buy. If otherwise it came down this trend line here took support, means here form reversal candle. Okay, here compulsory form any reversal candle, then we have to buy and move upside. Okay, that is if it will be break down, it will be break down, then first support was this level. Okay, that is this level was the first support, so we have to keep first target here, and one more thing target was citadels here, because this is the resistance and came fall, and one more thing it will be took as a support from here. So next support was here. If this will break, this is the final support. Okay, that is you got it my point. Okay, that is I don't know English much more, I just a little bit know, because someone asked me please tell me in English or Hindi, so I am comfortable in Hindi and English, but a little bit. Okay, that is so I will explain you in this way. I thought I got it in my point. Okay, let us from Monday onwards, if the break resistant and it will came about this support level, when breakout, then I will buy. If no, this trend was break down, then I will short. Okay, this was my Nifty analysis, and so this Nifty is over completely, and now I have to go Nifty Bank. Okay, let us wait for Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank. Okay, let us now I am seeing on Nifty Bank. Okay, traders, this is a Nifty Bank. So we have to analyze directly in 15 minutes chart. Don't do that. Just we analysis with the bigger time frame to small time frame. When we analyze any stocks or Nifty Bank, anything. Okay, traders. Just we have to observe from bigger time frame to smaller time frame, not a smaller time frame to bigger time frame. Just observe that we have to analyze bigger time frame to smaller time frame, not a smaller time frame to bigger time frame. Okay, traders. This 15 minute chart will be the smaller time frame, then we have to go bigger time frame, then daily chart. Okay, traders. So okay, traders, this was the daily time frame in Nifty Bank. So here I some understood. Okay, traders, directly not in, just we have to first to do eye trading. Okay, traders, just we have to do first thing eye trading. What was eye trading means, where was the trend line was correct, we have to draw trend line with eye. Okay, that is we have to draw trend line with eye. So first we have to do eye trading. So and see, traders, when I am observing this, this was a one trend line, means resistance came down. Okay, traders. Okay, why I am drawing this, because Traders market here came and it will be fall, and also here came and it will be fall, and this trend was respect here also. Many times you will taking a trend and came down. Okay, traders. So here breakout happens. Okay, traders. This breakout also came this support level. This resistance become as a support. You again got it, my friend. This was the resistant trend line, and this resistant when it will take become support, resistant become support, and support become resistant. Okay, traders. You should know when supports become resistant, resistant became support. So this was the resistant, and this big resistant, and it will be when came here and it did this resistance act as a support. Okay, traders. So here support the market was when market is came down and it will take support here, compulsory it will take support here and movement upside. Okay, traders. So this was a trend line, and I am saying one more thing trend line from here. Okay, traders. See this like this. Sorry, see like this. So where it will be some pattern. Okay, this sub up and down at a narrow range. Okay, this will become, so then definitely it will support here and it will be breakout and happens here. This one this we have analyzing daily time frame. Okay, so we just remove everything, but here we need one trend line. What's the here we need one trend line, so we have to draw that trend line. See, we need this trend line. Okay, traders. Why? Because the market will here if came far, then definitely came here. Okay, this trend line was become as a support. Okay, traders. So one more thing, bigger resistance zone was here. Okay, traders, because market will fall from here. Market will fall from here to downside. Okay, traders. And now we have to went in 60 minutes chart. Okay, traders, in 50 minutes chart, so this was a trend line. We need if market will become, it took as a support here. Okay, traders, compulsory support here. So that's why we have we draw this trend line. So in 15 minutes chart, in 1 hourly chart, I didn't understand anything because here one resistance zone was here, but directly we not buying. Okay, traders. So I didn't understood, so I have to went in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes I am seeing one trend line, one support line. See, traders, from here. Okay, this one, because see, traders, support upside and came support upside, and see, traders, this trend line was breakout, and when it will become this level, here was two support. Okay, traders, because this resistant line has become a support here, and from down to it will be support here. So this was a big support. If the market came down here, the big support, then compulsory market move upside. Okay, traders, we have to draw like this. Okay, and I keep in 15 minutes. See, traders, in 15 minutes it will be take support level. See, this was one zone, that is here resistant came and it will break out and took as a support, and took as support, and it will became here and took as a support. If the market went upside, then what we observe, see, traders, one more trend line was here. This was the breakout. Okay, traders. See, traders, this was the breakout happens in 15 minutes. Along with value means we have to see Nifty future. There will be a value, then we decide buy, otherwise no. When we have to buy means, see, traders, in bigger time frame, this is zone is breakout. This zone is breakout. Then we have to buy here, and we keep target here in this level. Okay, traders. So if this level is breakout, then we have to stop loss here and target here. Okay, traders. In 15 minutes chart like this, if the market came down, then we wait patiently up to this level. Up to this level. Okay, traders, because there will be a big support. If the trend line was break out here, then it will be move upside. Okay, traders, you got it, my point. This was a nifty bank analysis. If you didn't understand my language or otherwise my chart analysis, then improve. If you given in comment, then I will definitely improve. Okay, that is so. This was a nifty bank. Now we have to see stocks. We have to select stocks. Then we have to go in NSE chart. There will be a top gainers in. We choose top gainers, Reliance, ONGC, Coal India, Titan. I say so. And first to Reliance. Okay, that is. See that is, this is a Reliance in daily chart. So this is a one day chart. See that is, Reliance was a big movement given upside. Okay, so in previous history there was a resistance. Okay, so this is a resistance zone. So market will came here and break out outside, but it will take as a resistance. It came down. So I have small doubt in Reliance. Okay, I have small doubt in Reliance. That's why I am not select Reliance for my trading tomorrow. Okay, so I cancel this Reliance. I little bit doubt in Reliance, so that's why I'm just cancelling Reliance and just going next ONGC. This is the small stock, small movement. So I did it to trade, and Coal India also same. See Titan. See in Titan. See Titan also movement upside only, given directly in upside only. Okay, that is. So Titan also given upside only. And status nice IOC. So view all IOC, Hero Moto Corporation, BPCL. Status this one, all this one supply zone means demand zone. Okay, that is, this everything means status here supply zone. This supply zones become as a demand zone here. Okay, that is, this is a supply zone here. So this supply zone. Okay, I drop pencil. So this all are also supply zone, because that's why it will came down. And once this the break, it will become as a demand zone. Okay, this was the supply become a demand, and so here upside and went upside. Nearly market is here. So what I am saying means I am draw this trend line like this. So let us, there will be a breakout along with volume confirmation. Okay, let us. There is a volume confirmation. Yeah, this will be breakout along with volume confirmation. So maybe this stock, if the Nifty and Bank Nifty will going upside tomorrow, then this Hero Moto Corporation also will went upside, because in daily zone it will be breakout along with volume confirmation with big candle. Okay, traders. So we have to not enter in the directive market. Okay, traders. We not enter in the buying directly. So what we do, just going in hourly chart. Okay, traders. In hourly chart also it will break out along with volume confirmation, and we have to go in 15 minutes chart. Okay, traders. In 15-minute chart, see, there was a trend line like this. Okay, traders. And one more trend line was like this. Okay, traders. And see, traders, if you clearly observe, this is a bullish flag pattern. Okay, traders. This was a bullish flag. Okay, traders. So tomorrow, so what we have to do tomorrow, if breakout along with volume confirm this trend line, if tomorrow the breakout along with volume confirmation this trend line, then we have to buy here. Then we have to buy this trend line above, this candle above, and stop loss was this level. Okay, this is the resist, this is a support zone. Okay, so stop loss was here and buying here, and see here and support and it came. This is the second target. Okay, so this sorry, this is the first target, and this was the second target. If first target break, then wait, we have the second target. Okay, from Monday I just took a trade on Hero Motor Cup. Then I add here in my watching list. So I am watching in Monday Hero Motor Corp also. Like this, we have to stock select. Okay, traders. So in second stock, you also traders, because video length is very high, then it will be problem to you only. So you have to observe what is a Hero Motor Corp, and so many stocks here. So two stocks for buying and two stocks for selling, and came down and selling. You have to select the two stock for selling. Come here, pick up here and select. Okay, traders. This was I how select my stocks and Nifty and Bank. This was how I analyze. Okay, traders. Traders, got it my friend, how I analysis and how I select my stocks, how I pick stock from Nifty 50. Okay, traders. So if you understood very well, then if anyone helpful this video, then please share and subscribe, and if you want my latest video, then please press the bell icon. Okay, traders. Thank you very much.